What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to set up the account in the Brevo. So for that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to open up your Google Chrome, search Brevo, and the link will be in the description as well, so you guys can simply click it and redirect it to page over here. Here you guys can sign up with your account, either give your email and the credentials, and you will be moving forward with this page. So then you will receive an email regarding confirmation. All you have to do is to verify and give the credentials, your address, your phone number, and the name of your company, and then you will be redirected to this page. So here now you have your company assembled. You have 300 emails. That is for your today. Six of, for example, for me, I just created my account today, so I have 300 emails free for free that I can send to anybody in my contact list. And on the left hand side, I get a CRM, I get a marketing tool where I can create landing pages, but that is for the paid subscription. I can set up the automations, I can do the transactionals things, and for the conversation, if I have my contact, I can do the conversation from here real time. And that is something that you guys can do as well by following this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.